All right, here is video number 2 at the Watsontown 50s Car, Truck, and Bike Show at White Deer Community Park, New Columbia. Sponsor host by Carz for a Cause. And here we go, let's walk. A lot of amazing things here today. Super turnout for Pennsylvania Warriors. 96 cents of every dollar goes to the cause. That's pretty awesome. Well over 100 rides here today, about 115, 112, somewhere around in there. Some not registered, just hanging out. So I guess we could say we had a few more. What is a beauty. Fantastic. So many pretty things here. Yeah, I'm spinning around. I'm going to try to get one more row in for the second video, then I'll make a third. Let's skip out here and go around. Lost my place. All right, let's stop it here. We'll set up the next video.